Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the last video from the series. And if you have not watched the earlier ones, you can click on this link that is flashing above and you can go and watch. Now in this video I'll be showing you two easiest DIYs for any notebook cover. Now I'm using a red notebook for the first DIY. Since it is red, I would convert the cover into something that will look like a watermelon. So for this I'm taking the green paper and I'll adjust it according to the distance that I want from the bottom part. Crease it a little bit and then I'll stick this with the glue. And I'll cut out the extra part. Stick the remaining part inside. And in the same way I'll stick the white color strip. I'm sticking this strip just right above the green color paper. Cut out the extra part and stick inside. Now using a marker I'll be drawing seeds on the red part. I'll do this on both the front cover and the back cover. Now I'm using a green color paint and painting the green color paper to give the outer look of the watermelon. But this is completely optional. You can also keep the paper plain without painting that. And now once this is done, we'll keep our paints to dry and our first DIY is complete. Isn't that quite easy? Now in the second DIY, we are actually going to make a very mini diary. So for this, what we'll require is a green color paper or any other color paper for the cover and one A4 size or a Xerox paper. I'll take the Xerox paper and fold it into 4 parts vertically and cut out the paper columns. So in this way, I'll be having 4 paper columns. Now once they have cut out, I will fold the vertical columns into half, then again into half and then again into half. That is, I'll be folding into half 3 times and I'll do the same for all the 4 paper columns. Now take one paper column and on the creased or on the folded part earlier, I will create a fan fold like this and repeat the same on other 4 columns. Now once that is done, I will stick the ends of all the columns to one another so that I will get a bigger strip of the Xerox paper. And all of these are in fan fold. Now take the cover paper and fold it into half, then fold the sides till the center. Do the same horizontally for both the sides, leaving some space at the end so that both the folds do not come in the center. Now place the white paper inside and fold the remaining part of the green the cover inside and cut out the extra part if there is any. Now open the book and place the first white part inside of the crack that we have on both the sides. So our basic diary or mini notebook is ready. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. Do not forget to share with your friends, and if you've not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe, and thank you. See you next time.